Jamie.
um, Lieutenant Commander, katanggal lang ho kasi ng oxygen ni Lieutenant Jamie. Baka hindi siya makahinga.
Sorry. Okay ka lang? Nakakahinga ka? Sure ka? Sorry. Excited lang talaga ako na okay ka na.
It's okay. Saya naman din ako na na-survive ko to eh. Besides, I can't just die yet. Hindi ko pa naigaganti si Daddy against the Brazilians. So,
Welcome back, Lieutenant Robinson.
thank you, Lieutenant Commander.